pattern due to a bar magnet using iron filings by performing an activity.
Take a bar magnet, a drawing board, a white paper, and some iron filings. Put the white paper on the drawing board. Keep the bar magnet at the center. Sprinkle few iron filings on it. Now, tap the board gently. What do you observe? You will observe that the filings have oriented themselves around the magnet, crowding at the poles.
Let us now understand why do the iron filings arrange themselves in a specific pattern. We know that the magnet exerts its influence, that is force, in a space surrounding it. Due to this force, iron filings arrange themselves in a pattern. The lines along which the iron filings align themselves represent magnetic field lines. Let us now perform an activity to obtain the magnetic field lines due to a bar magnet by using a compass.
Take a drawing board and fix a white paper on it using drawing pins. Place a bar magnet at the center and draw its outline using a pencil. Now, take a magnetic compass. Let us place the compass near the north pole of the magnet. What do you observe? The needle gets deflected and the north pole of the needle points in a particular direction. Mark a point on the paper at the tip of the north pole. Now, place the compass needle such that the compass needle's south pole points towards this point. Mark another point on the paper at the tip of the north pole. Continue this till you reach the south pole of the bar magnet. Join all the points by a smooth line. A line starting from north pole always ends on the south pole. Hence, magnetic lines of the force are always closed lines, emerging out from one pole and entering the other pole. Repeat this for different starting positions of the needle. You will see lines emerging out from one pole and entering the other pole. At poles, the lines are crowded and are far separated near the middle of the magnet.